Clear the set, please.
Background, let's get my extras over here. Extras to your places. Take mine back.
Ladies, you're late. Please get yourselves into makeup and wardrobe right away. Makeup!
Services.
We'll break for lunch after we get this shot.
Roll sound.
Sound speed.
Here we go. Roll camera.
Can we mark this, please? Universal Animal Actors opening. Take one.
Lights. Camera. And action.
Live from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, my name is Amy Bueller, and I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Tom. He is a rescue cat, and he appeared in the movie Dr. Dolittle. When I started working at a local rescue facility, I had the opportunity to work with coyotes, llamas, feral pigs, and opossums. It was working with these amazing creatures that led me to want to become an animal trainer. I'm lucky to work with a great group of trainers and staff here at the show that truly care for and love all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal's Animal Actors, we hope that you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Miss Amy Bueller.
Hi everyone! Thank you and welcome to Universal's Animal Actors Show. My name is Amy and this is my friend Nanu. Nanu and I both work for a company that's been training animals in film and television for over 50 years. Now something that many people don't know is that Nanu can actually stand here. Nanu, get up here. Hey, get up here. Come on. Nanu, get over here. As I was saying, something that many people don't know is that some of their favorite animal stars are rescues. Just like my friend Nanu, they got their start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little later in the show, we're going to show you what Nanu had to learn to get her big break. Until then, we'll see you later. Off you go. Now it's time to get things started with a little friend of mine for the movie we about to do. This is Sparky. Hi, Sparky. Now, Sparky and I need an adult volunteer. So we're about halfway up in one of these two sections. An adult volunteer. About halfway up one of these two sections. Let's see. How about you in the white shirt? Why don't you stand up? Stay right where you are and push out a $1 bill. Now, the reason why I ask our volunteer for a $1 bill is because Sparky doesn't know our volunteer and they feel uncomfortable flying to someone that he doesn't know. As seen in the movie Live from Heaven Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly calling objects. In this case, it just happens to be $1. Great. Why don't you put it between two fingers? With your arm. If you can fold it in half one more time for me. There we go. Put it between two fingers with your arm straight out to the side. Sparky's gonna see that and know exactly where to fly. Excellent job, Sparky. Oh, wow. Thank you. Enjoy the show. Is there anyone over here with a $20 bill? I'm just kidding. We're gonna get this back to you. I'm gonna have you stand back up. Now I'm gonna make it a little easier on Sparky. I'm gonna have you put both arms out to the side. Great. Now you flop real hard to fly down here and get it. I'm just kidding. One arm out to the side, kind of like a little landing pad. Sparky is gonna get sport. He's gonna take this and put it right back where he found it. And folks, that's Sparky. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sparky. Once you finish all of your snacks, you are all done and off you go. Hey, look, that's our stagehand. Not only do we work with cute little birds like Sparky, sometimes we get to challenge ourselves with something a little bit larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in Universal's movie Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches that hawk with precision and grace, and a spectacular feat of flight. We're going to recreate this movie moment. If you please focus your attention to the small closed box in the back corner of the arena, we're going to be flying on a star that you may recognize from the movie 310 to Yuma. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Arrow. Wow! Oh, Jackie just saw something. We have a volunteer over here. He's in a white shirt and he has $1 bill. Sir, do you want to try with Arrow? No, smart man. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Arrow. Now, Arrow's an African auger hawk, part of the raptor family. A group of birds that includes hawks, eagles, kites, falcons, vultures, and owls. We'd like to introduce you to some cousins of Arrow in a rare close-up appearance. Hello to Iris and Olympus. Iris and Olympus are Eurasian eagle owls, who you may recognize from the Harry Potter films. Now, although these birds are not endangered, many native birds are. But we ask you to do your part to help animals in the wild and in captivity, so that majestic birds just like these will never become endangered. I'll get a round of applause for Iris and Olympus. Thank you both. Now I'd like to take a quick moment to introduce you to a brand new animal friend of ours here at Universal. Everyone meet Sweet Pea. Wow, nice moves. Although Sweet Pea couldn't make it here today, we'd like to show you our version of this high-flying stunt. Say hello to Baby, our blue and gold macaw. Julian is going to place Baby into a strong current of wind. Once in flight, the cruise can be replaced. Take a look at this final product. Baby. Thank you, Julia. Thank you, Baby. That was great. Now, one of the most common questions that we're asked here at the show is how do we get our animal stars to land a role in a movie or a television show? Well, it all starts with some basic training. And here to show us how it's done, from the movie The Proposal, this is Nanu. Hi there, sweetheart. Now, in addition to her basic behaviors, Nanu also needs to be able to recognize both hand and verbal cues, some of which you may see in this scene.
Hook, with eyes blue as forget-me-nots, save when he clawed your belly with the iron hook he has instead of a right hand, at which time his eyes turn red.
Now what you can't see or hear is the trainer standing behind the actress cueing that dog to back up and bark, only using hand cues. I'm going to show you some of Nanu's basic behaviors using both hand and verbal cues. But before animal stars learn their basic behaviors, they need to know something called a mark. A mark shows our animal stars where they need to stand in any given scene, much like their human co-stars. Nanu, on your mark. And very good, Nanu. Good job, sweetheart. Now, something even more difficult than this is getting your animal stars to respond to our voice and verbal cues when we're behind the camera. But to demonstrate this, only the help of a volunteer. A young lady this time, a young lady who'd like to volunteer for me. Let's see. Young lady in the tie-dye shirt in the front row, come on down. Hi there, sweetheart. What's your name?
Emma.
Emma, where are you from?
Newberry Park.
Newberry Park? Well, welcome to the show, Emma. Come with me, sweetheart. You're gonna have a seat right here in this chair. You're playing my actress. Now we're gonna get Nanu into place. Very good, Nanu. Now once Nanu is in place, I'm going to take one of her favorite treats and place it in front of my actress, Emma. That way she knows where to focus her attention. Then I'm going to move behind Nanu and I'm going to work her just using my voice and verbal cues. That's what we call its behavior the work away. Very good, Nanu. Good stay. Good girl. Emma, these are for the dog. It's okay, sweetheart. We're gonna try something a little different this time. Emma, sweetie, I'm gonna have you put your hand in your lap just like that. I'm gonna put the treat in your hand and you're gonna close your hand. And now you don't give that to Nanu no matter what, okay? Until I say. Okay, then I'm gonna move behind Nanu and I'm going to have her look at Emma's hand, and she looks like she's looking at her actress while she's doing her behaviors. Good girl, Nanu, good stay. Good stay. Good. Watch it. Stay. What a naughty dog. You're going scrounging today. It's okay, Emma. I'm going to give you another one. And you're going to close your hand again. And then we're going to retrieve Nanu from her popcorn eating. Lie down. Lie down. On your feet. Sit. Sit. Lie down. On your feet. Sit. On your feet. Sit. 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 Lie down. Side. Straighten up. Good. On your feet. Sit, cover. All right, she can have it, Emma. She can have it. And folks, that's Nanu and the workaway. Nice and done, little lady. Off you go. Emma, you did a great job, sweetheart. I have a little something for you. So come with me. I have a hat from NBC's World of Dance, which is premiering May 30th, and I also have a sticker for Trainer for the Day. How about a round of applause for our Trainer for the Day? Thank you, sweetheart. Now, not only do our animal stars have to take directions from their trainers, sometimes they have to listen to the actors as well. To demonstrate this, I'll need the help of another volunteer. A young man this time, a young man. Let's see, young man in the gray shirt and the long sleeve white shirt. Why don't you come on down? You're gonna use the stairs all the way over here, sweetie. Hi there, what's your name?
Julian.
Julian, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Julian. How about a round of applause for Julian? Sweetheart, you're gonna come with me. I'm playing my actor. And have a seat right here in this chair. Now that we have our actor, Julian, all we need is his animal co-star for the movie We Bought a Zoo. This is Alex. Hi, Alex. Now, Julian, this is simple. We've got a great big pile of clothing backstage. We've got hats, shirts, shoes, socks, hats, anything you can think of that you can wear. All you need to do is think of 2 items of clothing. Once you have them in mind, stay right where you are and whisper them to Alex. Are you thinking of 2 things you can wear? Are you thinking of 2 things you can wear? Okay, stay there and whisper them to Alex. All right, Alex, you heard the man. Now, folks, this is not a trick. This is a trained behavior. Right now, Alex is backstage rummaging through a huge pile of clothing, looking for that. Oh, wow, that was fast. Were you thinking of the hats? Wow, great, folks. We got the first one right. Very nice, Alex. All right, go get that second item. Now, once he gets the first one right, he never misses the second one. This is going to be a 100% show. You're going to be amazed when he brings out exactly what Julian was asking for. Julian, you asked for this? Julian, sweetheart, stand up. Give everyone a great big Hollywood wave. Wave to everyone. Very nice. Now, Julian, sit. Good boy, you're well trained. Here's your treats. I'm just kidding, Cindy, please don't eat that, don't eat that. You're doing such a great job. I'm gonna keep you around for one more scene, okay? Take a walk with me. Oftentimes on set, the director will ask our animal stars who they have never done before to go around, through, or even over things they've never seen. Our job as trainers is to train them how to do this. And we're going to show you how we do this with a friendly audition between two of our animal stars. Please help me welcome out Emmy and Billy. Now when our animal stars go on audition, we like to give them some encouragement. And we're going to need your help with this. Everyone on this side of the audience, you're going to be trained on Emmy. You may recognize Emmy from a Chewy's commercial. And everyone on this side of the audience, you're going to be trained on Billy. You may recognize Billy from the movie Bad Moms. Now when I say lights, camera, action, you're going to make as much noise as possible. We'll try with Emmy first. And the lights, camera, action! That was pretty good, but I don't know. I think you guys might be able to do a little bit better. Let's try with Billy. Lights, camera, action! Audition. One by one animal star is going to jump over our human hurdle, weave through all these poles, shoot through this bright red tunnel, jump back over our human hurdle, and finish off by ringing the bell. And it looks like Emmy's up first. Remember, the louder your cheer, the faster your dog will go. And the lights, camera, action! Yeah, maybe decaf tomorrow. I don't know. Do you think Billy can do better? Okay, let's see. And lights, camera, action! Ariel, you're not missing all of the obstacles. What are you doing? Julian! Ooh, Billy peed on you, Julian. You know what? It's okay. It's pretty warm out. I'm sure it'll dry in no time. Why don't you come with me, Julian? I have a little something for you for being such a good sport. I have this shirt from Universal's new movie, The Mummy, out June 9th. And I also have a sticker for Trainer for the Day. How about a round of applause for our Trainer for the Day, Julian? Thank you, sweetheart.
Wait for it. Yeah, he's dead now. We need to get help.
Yes, you do need some help. Wait. I know what to do. We need to run a CAT scan on you. Yeah, CAT scan. No, that was not what I was talking about. He was definitely not dead. What? Billy let all the animals out. Get in here. Whoa, no. What are you doing out here? They're like little burritos with legs. Don't worry, folks. I'm just gonna make sure that Whoa! It's a big leg. Yeah. Oh, our director really likes camp.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors.